Wundatherm has been 4 years in the making, and we've spent £2 million developing this product. Unfortunately, all boards do look the same, but that's where the similarity ends. The key thing with Wundatherm is the strength of our board, the speed of installation, and the rapid response. The aluminium covering on it will heat your floors up anything from 20 minutes. And you can have any floor finish, even tiles, direct to the board. Originally developed for renovations, Wundatherm was ideal for going across existing floors. Concrete floors or timber floors, our boards are simply bonded to that existing floor, pipes walked in, new flooring on top. It's suitable for ground floors, extensions, renovations, new builds. You can use heat pumps or standard boiler, any heat source that can create warm water. Because we manufacture and sell direct, we cut out the middleman. That way you get the best prices every time. Ordering is very simple, you can either do it online or ring in and use our free estimating service. We also have account managers, so you've got a permanent point of contact. We have support 6 days a week, so if you get stuck, not a problem, just give us a call, we'll get you back on track in no time.